bigyan mo agad siya. Malay mo, magtuloy-tuloy. Tumaas din yung kumpiyansa ni Bismarck rather than having him off the bench, di ba? Ang in-off the bench niya ngayon, itong si Yukien.
Bismarck wins the tip. So, in 8 appearances, Bismarck came off the bench. This is San Beda's 9th game and first start for the season. Sahonia drains the triple.
Yun naman yung kailangan mo. From the start of this ball game, nag-zone na itong LPU. Kailangan mo makahit sa labas para yung zona na yan bumalik sa tao-tao. Pag hindi ka nakakashoot dyan, hindi haalis ang zone yan.
San Beda shooting 24% from beyond the arc as a team. Aviles with the basket.
Nalibre dun sa roll itong si Aviles.
Miller, binalik dito kay Gonzalez. Miller pulls up for 3. Jonty Miller, back-to-back triples for the Red Lions.
Ayun naman, speaking of kumpiyansa, hindi mawawalan ng kumpiyansa yan si Jonty Miller. Malakas. Ganda nung pasa ni Renz Villegas doon. Behind the back para dito kay Daile. Kaya lang, malakas.
Gonzalez, short. Moralejo with the rebound. Moralejo, pinasa dito kay Villegas. Villegas, back to Moralejo. Sabi ni Moralejo, set up muna.
Binibilisan nila yung pace ng laro dito, itong LPU. Kung meron silang primary break, kukuhanin nila. Pagka hindi, they will just go to somebody na pwede nilang masahan, just like that with Montaño at the post.
Montaño getting on the board for the Pirates.
Ayan, medyo nagtawa-tawa ng LPU dahil nakadalawang basket na sa tres itong San Beda.
Unang post-up para kay Bismarck, in and out. But that's a solid Bismarck post-up. Niluwalang ng ring.
Yun naman ang maaasahan mo kay Bismarck. He has a post move, kaya naman talagang pupuntahan mo siya sa poste.
Aviles, mid-range. Rebound, Miller, and now we get to this courtside report mula kay Bianca Tagarda.
We didn't lose our confidence, pero sayang lang talaga yung last game namin, says team captain Yukien Andrada, reflecting on their triple overtime loss against the Perpetual Altas. For him, stepping up isn't something that needs to be said anymore dahil resilience is part of Coach Yuri's system. Their last game may have fallen short, but Yukien shares that this time there is no room for excuses despite the absence of Jomel Puno, who is feeling under the weather and is sidelined for now as a precautionary measure according to their physical therapist Ivan Milan. Sabi pa nga ni Yukien, the LPU Pirates are heavy on their offense, which is why they need to double on their efforts as every game is not just played, it is earned. Anton and Bo?
So Jomel Puno, who has been starting at the power forward spot in the past couple of games for San Beda, sidelined today.
And they have two guys who are in the sideline in today's ball game. Kalimag, who's suspended, and then Jomel Puno, who's feeling under the weather.
So guys in the rotation, Bo.
Mag-iiba. Kaya may nakita tayo ditong inactivate ni Coach Yuri na bago sa atin, di ba?
Gonzalez. Miller. Back to Nigel. Nigel, pinasa dito sa kanto. Sahonia. Sahonia, inside pass para kay Lina.
Ganda nung hanap ni Sahonia doon kay Bismarck sa may baseline. And yun naman, the presence of mind by Sahonia na tinignan niya yung oras. Kaya niya si Villegas sa poste. Tapos dumoble itong si Aviles, nakita si Bismarck sa baseline.
Good positioning para dito kay Bismarck. Talagang binibilisan ng LPU itong pace ng laro.
Yun yung napansin natin dito sa kita mo naman yung kiskisan ng Montuanyo tsaka ng Etuli sa poste. Parehong skinny yan, pero both of them never back down.
Tsaka, Bo, pinupuntahan si Montaño sa poste.
Pangalawa na yan. He shot a fadeaway kanina going to the baseline. Ngayon naman, siya ulit. Inatake niya itong si Etule. And then, Etule committed a foul.
Villegas. Villegas over Miller. Lina
Malakas.
with the rebound.
Oo, malakas yung tira ni Renz Villegas doon.
Gonzalez. Miller. Miller on the attack. Jonty Miller.
Yun naman yung ma-expect mo dito kay Jonty Miller. Sa lakas ng katawan niya, he was being guarded by Renz Villegas. Instead of him taking the pull-up jumper, inatake niya papasok.
Lina. Lina against Aviles from the three-point line. A rare occasion na trumive itong si Lina mula sa three-point line.
Oo, usually yun sa ilalim ng sa poste ng gagaling eh.
Naka-pressure sa kanya si Aviles. Sanbeta with a 9-5 advantage with 6 minutes and 11 seconds to go in the first. Mancom representative from LPU, Dr. Alan Paul Laico, PhD. Still in positive spirits despite tough losses for the Pirates game season. We have Dr. Lorenzo of Emilio Aguinaldo College.
Oh, you wish with the type of our ito yung mga boss natin si Sir Dax Castellano of De La Salle College of St. Benilde. Yung sinasabi ko kanina na even they are struggling with 1-7 with the type of format that we have, you still have a chance eh. Malay mo pagdating doon sa playoffs natin, sa play-in natin, eh doon naman to, di ba, umarangkada ng husto, magtuloy-tuloy. You wouldn't say, you can tell until talagang out ka na, di ba?
Baka isang panalo lang sa knockout, baka umangat bigla yung kumpiyansa.
Yun nga yung naman nakakatakot eh.
Andrada. Montaño with the board. Barba susubok mula sa labas.
Ayun naman. Speaking of Ato Barba, he didn't play in their previous games against College of St. Benilde. In today's ball game, medyo maraming enerhiya to dahil hindi nakapaglaro dun sa previous game nila.
Barba, number 4 scorer in the NCAA, averaging 16.1 points per outing. Sahonya. Lina.
Ganda naman yung pasa na yun. A simple ball screen on top, finding the rolling Bismarck Lina. Ito na naman sa poste si Montaño.
Kabilang side naman, step back. Montaño again.
Kanina, fade away going to the baseline. Ngayon naman, face up, step back ng konti. Same result para dito kay Montaño. Very offensive-minded itong si Montaño sa ball game natin. Ha?
Sahonya, floater from the free throw line.
Ayun naman. Same dito kay Sahonya. Kung offensive lang ang pag-uusapan, marami ring baon tong batang to.
Montaño sa labas naman.
Wow!
Inside, outside. Kayang-kaya ni Montaño yan.
Talaga naman yung opensa ngayon ni Montaño umaapaw.
Miller throws it out. Gonzalez steps back. Gonzalez mid-range.
Medyo maganda ang palitan ng opensa natin in both teams.
Villegas for the lead. In and out.
Wow, almost halfway na yun.
Gonzalez popostean si Villegas. Linabas kay Andrada. Miller.
Libre si Bismarck.
Lina. Oh! Montaño with a foul.
Nice shot pick niya pa doon kay Villegas, who's really smaller than him. Ito yung gandang pasa ni Sahonya kay Bismarck. Ito naman yung a simple ball screen on top, tapos hahanapan, alam mo yun, inuunti-unti lang ni Sahonya. Ito naman yung tres ni Montaño. Alam mo yun, itong San Beda, mabagal pero pulido eh. Pulido yung ano eh. Pero ito namang LPU, they are trying to really get a fast-paced game. Baka sakaling maging advantage in them. Kaya lang magaling kumontra-tempo itong San Beda eh. Kung gusto mo bilis, ito kabagalan natin. Dito tayo sa surbulan lang.
Lina missing on the first free throw. Substitutions para sa LPU. Palingayan is now in. Versosa is also in. At kasama rin dyan si Orige. Lina. Good on the second as Joe Celso checks in for Bismarck.
Oo, ganda simula para dito kay Bismarck Lina. Kaya naman, in-start siya ni Coach Yuri dito.
6 points agad para kay Bismarck Lina with 3 rebounds. Versosa. Celso with a block on Orige. Versosa nabitawan ng bola. Orige.
Oy, wait lang. There's a foul.
Oh.
There is a foul called on San Beda. Ayun lang. There's ayun lang. Hinakpan ito ni Reyes.
Versosa. Palingayan, baseline jumper, and Miller taps it to himself. A steal by Palingayan. Versosa.
Wala.
Barba. Put back is good.
Nabintis na si Versosa pero naano yung mga kasama niya, lalo na itong si Ato Barba, already have 5 points dito sa first quarter natin coming off the bench. Dito kay Coach Gilbert malabanan.
Miller to Reyes. Reyes aatake. Reyes to Andrada. Andrada for 3.
Wala.
Offensive rebound para kay Yuki. Reyes. Stop and go. Estacio. Back to Reyes. Reyes for 3.
Oo, bola na sana na sa pwede yun. Nabitawan lang ito ni Estacio. Ito na naman yung fast-paced na laro ng LPU. Uy! Ganda naman ng patapang. Ngayon. Out of balance na itong si Aurige. Napatama niya pa kay Yukien para manatili ang bola sa kanila with 14 seconds.
Timeout. LPU. LPU will have possession on the other side of this break. Iikot si Janty dito, nakaabang si Palingayan.
Oo, nagmintis na itong si Versosa pero 4 dun eh. 4 against 1. Kaya naman walang katsansa-tsansa itong si Estacio to get the rebound or even just tapped it.
And then, ito yung patama ni Orige.
Oh, airball na airball eh. Ayun no. Hindi inaasahan ni Yuki na tatama pa sa kanya eh. Dahil nga out of balance na itong si Aurige. Natsambahan lang talaga siya.
Miles Coldora in the game for Miller. Barba. Triple from the corner. Fuentes with a miss. galing juniors din, Nat Fuentes, na bibigyan ng pagkakataon ngayon.
Ito ginamit to nung last game ni Coach Gilbert. Sa padulo na nung nangangailangan siya ng tres. He almost took the game into overtime. Ano lang talaga. Alam mo yun, konting-konti lang. Pa-overtime na yun.
Nat Fuentes was one of the stars of the Junior Pirates. Silang dalawa ni Matthew Rubico.
And alam mong shooter itong batang to dahil hindi iniiwan ng defender eh. Kahit kakapasok lang niya, kumbaga pagtingin mo, hindi naman kilala to eh. Pwede nating sumag-off dito pero hindi eh. They are sticking to him. Nagkaroon siya ng time na libre. Eh talaga namang swak na swak sa ring eh.
Reyes. Andrada. Kuldora.
2 minutes.
Reyes. Andrada. Kuldora, tough shot. And Barba comes up with the rebound.
Oh, good rebound dito para kay Ato Barba. Eto, pumunta na naman sila sa poste against Yukin and Versosa.
Origuez susubok mula sa labas, too strong. Yukin mula sa kanto.
Uy! Lumabas din. Kanina pa sumusubok itong si Yukin. Sa labas, hindi lang talaga nahuhulog pa.
Paliggayan to Barba. Barba, quick trigger. Estacio with the board.
Layo nun. Kaya naman yung tinamaan doon almost boards lahat. Uy. Foul dito kay Fuentes.
Coach Yuri, sinasabihan si Penny na quick break. So every second matters para kay Coach Yuri Escueta. Andrada.
Good find by Yukin. Para dito kay Celso sa ilalim.
So the bigs of San Beda are moving well.
6 points para kay Bismarck Lina. 2 points para dito kay Joe Celso. Pinilit ni Ato Barba doon. Tatlo-tatlo na yung tao niya sa harap. Kailangan matutunan ni Ato Barba. Ito yung gandang hanap ni Yukin para dito kay Joe Celso sa ilalim. Kailangan matuto ni Ato Barba na maging decoy. Kasi nga, a good offensive player that he is, kukulap sa kanya lahat lalo na pag dumadrive siya.
Oh, libre.
Ayun na
Andrada.
naman.
Just short on that shot. 12 seconds remaining here in the first quarter. Bola na kay Barba. 5 remaining. Inside pass. Versosa.
Ganda. Libre-libre pa si Fuentes dito sa may right side natin. Pero he just took it hard. With the jump hook itong si Versosa.
What a pass. And what a catch by Versosa. San Beda's lead down to 1 at the end of 1. Dito as Origue hits only his second triple of the season.
Oo, he tried it on the first one. Almost went in. Pero dun sa pangalawa, sinurbol niya na.
Celso. Reyes. Reyes on the pull-up.
Yan naman. Oo. Shooter's bounce para dito kay Reyes. Dun sa pull-up niya. Coming off a ball screen.
Origue. Versosa. Paliggayan. Difficult shot, rebound, Celso. Reyes to Estacio. Estacio out to Coldora. Reyes spins. Reyes to Coldora. Coldora for 3. Pasa muna natin kay Bianca Tagarda.
Anton and Bo, just as this venue holds nostalgia for Coach Gilbert Malabanan, ay very sentimental naman para sa kanyang team captain na si Ato Barba. Entering his final playing year, Ato shares how he has grown from a player who once cared only about winning to a leader who now plays for his teammates. Ato admits that this season may have tested the resilience, especially after losing some key players along the way due to injuries. Pero kahit siya nga mismo nakakagaling lang from a minor hamstring injury today, Ato's spirit remains unshaken. They may be down in the standings, but for him, this journey is far from being over. Anton and Bo?
Thank you very much for that report, Bianca. Yes, Ato Barba playing in his final season for LPU. So this is not just an ordinary tournament para kay Barba. Another chance for him na maiangat yung kanyang stock for the
Oo.
next level.
Yes. Kailangan ni Ato Barbo yun. Short na naman. Ito naman yung guy who played really well against College of St. Benil in their previous games. In the absence of Ato Barba, itong si Gordon. Ganda naman yung fake pass na yon. Para dito kay Peñafiel.
And Bo, another guy who got lost in the rotation this season, Omar Gordon, only averaging 6 minutes per game. In previous years, mas gamit itong si Gordon.
Oo, dahil nga siguro lumalim din yung bench nito ni Coach Gilbert with the addition of Dailig, si Moralejo, mga kapwestuhan niya kasi. Tapos ito si Peñafiel. And ang kapalitan nito ni Gordon kasi itong si Ato Barba. So, hindi mahirap agawin yung playing time ni Ato eh.
Simon good on the free throw. Lamang na ang LPU. As Richmond Casino checks in.
Ito rin yung isa sa mga limited playing time para dito kay Coach Gilbert. Itong si Casino.
Oh, difficult pass. Peñafiel, Gordon. Matienzo. Hand off to Peñafiel. Oh! Oh!
Uy! Grabe naman yung dukot na yun. Pwede nang kunin sa kabila, kaya lang may sumabay. Kaya kinuha niya pa sa kabila.
Bumihitin sa ere si Matienzo. Valyoses na libre mula sa kanto.
Ayun naman. Yun naman yung problema kapag ikaw ay gumambol and then your teammates will help you. May malilibre talaga.
Casino, pinasa kay Gordon for 3.
Grabe yung mga pasahan nitong LPU, no? Ansisikip eh, pero nahahanapan nila ng paraan eh. Kaya nakita nila doon itong si Gordon sa corner. Na hindi naman sila ipinahiya. Di ba? Ito yung una na gumambol si Peñafiel, kaya napatulong itong kasama niya. Libre sa corner yung San Beda. Ito yung pasa ni Casino kay Gordon. Sa corner din. Di ba? Oh, ayun lang. Foul. You already have a good defensive position. Kaya lang, alam mo yun, once na minove mo yung kamay mong yan and tumama, laging foul ang maitatawag sa iyo ng referee.
Albuena at the line. So, isa sa mga players benefiting from Puno being sidelined, Albuena
Oo.
getting some court time here para kay Coach Yuri Escueta.
Pero pag tinignan mo yung rotation ni Coach Yuri, marami na siyang ginagamit eh.
Pati si Bonzalina on the court right now.
Oo.
Gordon. Versosa on the drive and Versosa was fouled.
Dahil wala sa posisyon itong si Bismarck Lina. Kaya nung pagka-receive ni Versosa coming off a trailing, galing sa trail itong si Versosa, inatake niya itong si Bismarck, just going hard kahit na alam niyang disadvantage siya. Pero he get 2 free throws.
Versosa good on the first. Two for two sa pagkakataon na yon para kay JM Versosa. Pirates have the lead, 27-24. Gonzalez. Valioses for three. MJ Valioses with two triples. The star from the Red Cubs making noise as a Red Lion. We are tied at 27. Let's take a look at the rookie out of the San Beda Red Cubs High School basketball program. MJ Valioses, 6'2", knocking down 2 3-pointers in this game.
Ito naman yung mga magic bunot ni Coach Yuri.
Mr. Paul Supan of Jose Rizal University, Mancom representative. Kaya pala ang ganda ng ngiti ni Sir Paul. Kitang-kita niya yung sarili niya sa LED sa ating likuran. Mr. Frank Gusi of Perpetual.
Aray ko. Coming of an inbound play. Miscommunication between these two guys.
And the balance by Montaño and Villegas.
Eh, yung mga ganong klaseng turnover,
For the Pirates.
mahirap manalo kalaban San Beda kapag
Oo.
ganyan yung mga turnover mo.
Lalong-lalo na dito sa close game na ganito. Every possession counts. Kaya the less turnover that you have, eh medyo maganda ang tsansa mo.
Bismarck. Oh, banggaan. Lina and Aviles. And Aviles gets the stop.
Maganda yung atake ni Bismarck doon. Kaya lang, sobrang lalim. Ito
Montaño.
yung offensive-minded na si Montaño.
Villegas. Peñafiel. Aviles mid-range. And Valioses with the rebound. Bola na kay Gonzalez. Gonzalez.
Ayun naman. Kapag kaganyang rumaraga sa itong si Nigel Gonzalez ay mahirap pigilan. Lalo na yung momentum is nasa kanya. Kaya mahirap siyang kontrolin doon.
The 6'1" point guard from Lipa, Batangas. Gonzalez. Villegas. 4 on the shot clock. Villegas. Nadulas.
Shot clock violation.
Too much dribbling para dito kay Renz Villegas. He didn't even recognize na
Omar Gordon.
less than 10 seconds na lang yung shot clock nila doon. He keeps on dribbling it. Walang nangyayari sa offense ng LPU doon.
29-27 in favor of San Beda
Simon Benavides.
as Barba and Moralejo return. Gonzalez. Lina in the post. Lina kontra Aviles. Lina drop step. Stop na naman para kay Aviles.
Oo, twice na yun. Twice na lang na pipigilan itong si Bismarck Lina. Gandang atake ni Ato Barba pero mintis doon.
Good challenge by Sahonia. Sahonia to Lina. Lina.
Mintis
Short.
pa rin, oo. 3 successful defense para dito kay Aviles over Bismarck Lina.
Second foul, number 9, Brian Sahonia. That's his first personal team
So
foul.
Aviles doing his job stopping San Beda's starting center here in this game. 6'5", Aviles. Oh!
Ayun naman. Simple big to big ball screen on top. Nahanap ito ni Montaño si Aviles sa roll. Dinahandahan niya lang. Ito na naman si Bailoses. Wala. Yun ang mahirap doon. Ito yung atake ni Aviles on the other side.
Referee state conducting a review.
They will review the previous play. Dahil ang nireklamo itong LPU nagkakahawakan daw doon sa positioning. But they called for a foul. Itong si Moralejo.
Tight game we are witnessing here. 29 all. The LPU #1 in the league in scoring, averaging 77.6 points per outing.
It is just a regular foul. Pushing foul para dito kay Moralejo. Actually, bola na nila eh. Wala namang ka-chance na makuha ni Bismarck yung bola o na offensive rebound eh. Nandun sa kabilang side. Bola na nila kaya lang tinulak niya pa itong si Bismarck.
So Miller returning to the game for MJ Bailoses. Coming out with 6 points after those 2 threes. Gonzalez. Binigay kay Bryant. Bryant to Halbuena.
Wala. Medyo we are watching a small ball na dito. Si Yuki na yung playing the 5 position para dito sa San Beda against Aviles dito sa poste.
Aviles, half spin, jump hook, rebound.
Challenge niya rin doon si Yukin.
Gonzalez creating space. Villegas, umarangkada. Villegas, oh, blocked by Halbuena. Villegas gets it back. Villegas, blocked again by Halbuena. Kay Villegas pa rin.
After so many tries, wala pa rin. Para dito kay Renz Villegas. Ito naman.
Miller, sinigurado.
Oo, ito hindi mo pipigilan yan. Pagka umatake na yan ng downhill.
And that's only the first field goal for Miller here in this game. Or rather, second field goal of Miller. Barba. Naubusan ng oras.
Good intention para dito kay Ato Barba to attack his defender pero hindi na naman niya alam na pa-shot clock na sila. And medyo matagal din alam mo medyo matagal nag-originate yung offense na gusto nilang itakbo na which is a big to big ball screen and then they will just gonna find their roller na si Aviles. Kaya lang paubos na yung oras doon napunta kay Ato Barba.
We have a timeout. San Beda leads LPU 31-29. Let's check out the smiles here inside the Rizal Memorial Coliseum. Kaya may malaking LED dito, kaya alam nila na nakafocus sila ngayon. Pero yung iba dito, she knows it as well.
Kala natin nonchalant lang eh.
Well, it is still a weekday, Tuesday, so some Lyceans and Bedans are here to support their respective schools and fellow students. Andrada, turnaround.
Wala
Rebound,
pa rin.
Aviles.
Medyo maalat si Yuki Andrada. He's been trying to get his offense pero wala. Puro short.
Barba. Montaño. Montaño to Aviles. Montaño!
Iyon naman. The very offensive-minded guy. Montaño. I think he already have 10 points in this ball game.
And Montaño only averages 4.9 points per game.
Wow. Halos dinoble na niya na.
Pwede maging season high to para kay Montaño.
Pwede.
11 na ang kanyang season high.
And we are only in the second quarter of this ball game.
Moralejo. Mahirap na tira.
It's a foul on Joe Celso. Ito yung prayer screen para kay Montaño. Kapag ka nakakashoot ka yung kumpiyansa mo, tataas at tataas din talaga eh.
Hindi na nagdadalawang isip
Wala
eh.
na.
Pagsalo pa lang, alam na niya, titira siya.
Wala na. Alam niya para sa kanya, akin na to.
Villegas.
Ayun naman. If Yukin is finding his offense, eto rin batang to. Medyo maalat din dito sa ball game natin itong si Renz Villegas. Kaya he wants to find his offense as early as now.
Oh, hindi pa nakakapuntos itong si Villegas. And Villegas is the number 2 scorer in the NCAA.
Oo, averaging 16.5 points every single game. Pero dito, that's only his first points. In their previous games, he scored 14.7 rebounds and 3 assists. Para dito kay Renz Villegas.
Three-point lead for LPU.
Ito yung backcourt pressure para dito sa LPU. And then they went into a zone.
Celso mula sa kanto. Baseline jumper short. Villegas
Ayun na
tumatakbo.
naman.
Oh, wow. Sinabayan.
Oo, initya na lang niya doon kasi nakita niya puro nakapula yung nasa harapan niya.
Andrada. Sahonia.
Offensive foul para dito kay Sahonia.
And the foul on number 9, Brian Sahonia. That's his second personal.
So let's take a look at the elbow of Brian Sahonia here.
Oy. The good thing it's just a regular offensive foul para dito kay Brian Sahonia.
Barba, aatake. Barba
Block by
blocked.
Celso. Oh, ganda naman yung help side ni Celso doon.
San Beda has the numbers. Reyes wide open for 3.
Short
Bitin.
na naman.
Last touch ni Aviles.
Lahat ng pinukol na San Beda alam mo yun, medyo short.
Oh, pati yung mga open na tira nila eh. Short.
Oh! Ganda
Oh!
ng steal.
Moralejo with a stop on Andrada. Barba, wild shot, and he draws a foul.
Actually, mas libre pa dito sa right side itong si Renz Villegas, but itong si Moralejo, mas pinili niya doon si Ato Barba. Ito si Renz Villegas nasa kanan. Kung kanina nasupalpal ni Celso itong si Ato Barba, ngayon naman, foul itong si Joe Celso.
Nigel Gonzalez.
San Beda, 4 out of 14 from the 3-point line. Nakakagulat na mas marami pang na-shoot na 3 puntos itong LPU kumpara sa San Beda. They're 5 for 11 right now.
Almost 50%, ha? And yung mga tinira pa ng San Beda, karamihan, libre. Diba? So, they are getting the shots. Making it na lang. Yun na lang ang magiging ano nila doon. Kailangang solusyon. You need to make the free shot that you are getting. Ito, for defensive purposes para dito kay Coach Gilbert. Pinasa si Gordon. Nilabas niya yung mga starting unit dyan. Naiiwan niya lang dito si Renz Villegas.
Gonzalez. 8 seconds to go in the first half. Miller from way out.
That's in and out already.
Versosa. Oh!
Yeah.
May foul ba? Humihingi ang LPU coaching staff.
I don't know.
And referees are saying no, but Coach Gilbert asking for a review.
Oo. Kasi akala nila doon, there's a foul.
Silipin natin dito sa replay. So masasalo ni Versosa.
Yes. Pag
Oh.
tinignan mo, nabangga siya ni Nigel. Coach Gilbert is asking for a review. Di ba?
And Bo, mukhang
Oo.
may contact eh.
Pwede. Pero ang ano mo kasi doon, baka mamaya yung paghawak ni Versosa, yung bangga naman ito ni Nigel, nagbuzzer na. Di ba? So, kaya pinaliliwanagan itong LPU nitong mga referee natin. And nalinawan naman sila. Papunta na sila sa dugout nila.
So all is well. All is well. LPU though, okay. Isa pang angulo dito. Look at the time on the left side of your screens.
Dun sa pagsalo, I don't think there's a time pa. Wala na. Wala na. Umilaw na. Wala na. So, tama yung ating mga referee na walang kailangan i-review.
LPU leads San Beda 36-31 at the half.